100, page 8 number, first math. When Rahina Begum weighted some quantity of rice, he used 2 weights of 1 kilogram, 1 weight of 500 kilogram, and 2 weights of 100 gram. What was the weight of that quantity of rice? First, we have to find out 2 weights of 1 kilogram, 1 weight of 5 gram, then 2 weights of 100 gram. Then we have to add these quantities and we will get the answer. So 2 weights of 1 kilogram is equal to multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to kg. 1 weight of 500 gram, 1 multiplied by 500, 1 multiplied by 500 is equal 500 gram. 2 weights of 100 gram means 2 multiplied by 100. 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200 gram. So total weight is 2 kg, 500 and 200 gram, 700 gram. So our required result 2 kg 700 gram. So the quantity of rice was 2 kg 700 gram. Second math, 100, page 9 number. The weight of a packet of sugar is 1 kilogram 250 gram. How can the bag be weighted with less number of measuring weights? We have to convert 1 kilogram 250 gram how standard weights. So 1 weight of 1 kilogram is 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1 kg. Then I have converted 250 gram. 1 weight of 250 gram is 1 multiplied by 200. 1 multiplied by 200 is equal to 200 gram. And last, 1 weight of 50 gram is equal 1 multiplied by 50 gram. If I add this, 1 kg and 250 is 250 gram. So our required answer is the measuring weights are 1 weight of 1 kilogram, 2 weight of 200 gram, and 1 weight of 50 gram. In this way, you can solve other maths. So or try to solve that maths. No more today. Thank you very much.